In this video, let's learn how to create sacraments in One In Trinity. There are two ways to create sacraments, through the Sacrament Archive and directly from a member profile. Today, we'll explore the Sacrament Archive method. To start, navigate to the Sacramental Archive. Here, you will find various sections such as baptism, Holy Communion, confirmation, marriage, as well as records of the deceased and annulled. Let's proceed with baptism. In this section, you will see a list of all baptism sacraments, complete with details like the person's name, gender, baptism date, register, reference number, and quick options to download or edit the certificate. You might notice a tag labeled Linked beside some names. This indicates that the certificate is linked to a member profile in the system. You also have the option to search for a record or filter them based on date. To generate a new certificate, click on the Add button. This will open a 4-step form. In the first step, you will need to enter the child's first, middle, and last names, the names of the father and mother, date of birth, gender, date of baptism, and at the top, a field for the book number. This number corresponds to the physical register where the sacrament is recorded and aids in future referencing. Let's move on to step 2. Here, we record the father's nationality, profession, domicile, and the names and domiciles of the godfather and godmother. Next is step 3. This step requires the place of baptism, the minister's name, any remarks, and internal remarks. Note that internal remarks are for the priest's reference only and will not appear on the certificate. There is also a field for the register reference number. This number is the primary identifier from the baptism register and will be printed on the certificate. In case of duplicate reference numbers, you can use an alternate reference number, which will be displayed on the certificate instead. Now, let's proceed to the 4th and final step. This step allows you to enter the dates for Holy Communion, confirmation, or marriage. These fields are optional. Once you've filled in all the details, click on the Save button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, showing the date of birth and date of baptism. Please verify these details carefully before clicking Yes, Sure to confirm. The certificate is now created and added to the archive. From here, you can download or edit the certificate anytime. This is how you can create and download baptism records through the Sacrament Archive in One In Trinity.